If your lettuce doesn't make you smile, it's time to switch to 360 Farms and Winery. At 360 Farms and Winery, we're all about bringing the freshest, most nutritious produce from our fields to your kitchen. Take our lettuce, for example, crisp, refreshing, and perfect for everything from salads to wraps. Here's a quick gardening tip. Lettuce thrives in cooler weather, so plant it early in spring or late in fall. And remember, space those seeds about 6 inches apart for the best growth. But here's the best part. Your purchase isn't just delicious, it's impactful. Every bite helps support 360 Albany's food programs, making sure local families get the fresh produce they need. Swing by 801 West Highland Avenue, Albany, Georgia, or give us a call at 229-800-1360. Let's make every meal a step towards a healthier community. 360 Farms and Winery, where freshness meets community love.